Good morning. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And this is a town over from where I live. Big softball, baseball, little league complex, things like that. A really nice park, Freedom Park is what it's called. They host a lot of tournaments out here and gets a lot of play. And for whatever reason, the fields have kind of suffered a little bit, for lack of better words. The turf is just really rough. Probably some of the worst turf I've ever seen as far as the athletic complex goes. I'm not trying to be mean or anything like that. It just is what it is. For whatever budget reasons or staffing reasons or finding somebody to do it reasons, whatever it might be, the turf care just hasn't been done. A good buddy of mine I go to church with, Mr. Ray, contacted me and said, let's get the fields in shape. Let's get them looking good. And that's what I'm out here doing. We're number one today. We're going to begin a transformation on the turf grass. This is all Bermuda grass. I'm assuming the majority of it is common Bermuda, which that can look good, just like any other Bermuda, as long as you take care of it the right way. The infields here need a lot of work. We're actually going to end up laser grading all 3 infields. The grass line has really gotten pushed out over the years, so we're actually going to come in here with Alpha Elite and close this gap down so that the infield surface isn't quite so big. And we're going to seed all this, and so we'll show you that process as well. Then over on field number 2, we're actually going to do some pretty major construction over there. We're going to remove the outfield home run fence line and install 2 new infields. One will be in the left field corner. It'll be a home plate, and then when you move over to the right side of the outfield, we're going to put another infield over in right field corner, which will be home plate. And then the existing infield will become a much shorter playing area for like T-ball. So we're going to start that project in August, and we'll have it completed before aerating seeding, because I'll be getting it done then. I won't have time to work on this kind of stuff. But I'm going to show you that entire process. But today, to start, the Bermuda's just waking up. So right now is a prime time to go down with herbicide and a good feeding. I got the GCI 2000 is my nitrogen source. For homeowners, obviously, you're not going to use a Toro Multi-Pro. I get it, understand. But homeowners, what I'll do is I'll link up in the description below some low scale or lower scale spray equipment, like battery powered backpack sprayer, spray buddy, cart buddy. And then I'll list out some herbicide options for Bermuda grass turf. Now, my fescue people, by all means, don't get confused right here. These herbicides I'm talking about when I'm treating Bermuda, their intended effect is to take out or kill fescue, bluegrass, rye, any cool season turf. These are not herbicides that you want to go buying and spraying on your fescue yard. If you do that, you're going to have a very, very bad day. So you need to be focused and you need to be paying attention. This is for Bermuda grass turf only. So you can see there is a plethora of weeds out here. I mean, plethora. Look at the clover. It is just absolutely overrun with clover. But when you look down in here, look there. Bermuda grass, there's Bermuda mixed all in through here. So really all we need to do is get rid of the competition. And in this case, the competition is the weeds. There's just some Bermuda grass right there. Got dandelions, fescue, clover, got an abundance of clover. Looks like maybe some old ryegrass right there. Got some wild fescue out here. Looks like a little bit of goosegrass starting to pop. Plantain, lespedeza, oxalis right there. It's just a lot of different stuff out here. It's a lot. So this may end up being a two-step weed control application just because there's so many weeds. It is just a plethora of weeds. But again, I want to say, when you look down in here, look at there. Look at all that nice Bermuda grass down in there, just ready to wake up, ready to get some food, and ready to take off growing. I think they're working on getting a reel mower so that once we get all this cleaned up, get it going, then they can start reel mowing it, which in my opinion is the best way to mow Bermuda grass. Boy, look at this lip right here. I got my work cut out for me on this lip. So I'm spraying at 65 gallons an acre. There's 43,000 square foot in an acre. So what is that, roughly 1.5 gallons per 1,000. So my coverage is going to be extremely good. Now, of course, I'll bring you back throughout the entire year and we'll watch this process the entire year and kind of take you through step by step. Now, if you're wanting to do this and you have a Bermuda grass yard, it doesn't make any sense for you to wait on me to post the videos and see what to do next, okay? Because by then you're going to be out of time and the timing isn't going to be right on it. That's the absolute reason I've got my Bermuda grass lawn care guides and my Bermuda grass renovation guide. The renovation guide, you get two different ones. One is a total and complete kill off, you want to start from scratch, and the other is a semi-renovation job, which would look like what we're doing here. I've got plenty of Bermuda to work with, so there's certain steps I need to take in order to eradicate the weed population and get the Bermuda going. And I'm just showing you step one. And so if you want to be on a real timeline with this and you want to do it actual step by step the way it should be done, don't wait on me to post the video, get the Bermuda grass renovation guide. So that's a wrap on this one. We'll come back in, I don't know, about 3 weeks or so. See what it's gonna look like then. May have to do a follow-up application on this one because it's just so weedy. Good thing is I go to church over this way, so I can swing by after worship and put an eye on it, and that way I know what I need to bring next time I come out. So if you look at the description and you see those links for these Bermuda grass herbicides, I'll go on and give you a warning. They're expensive, but you know, it is what it is. You're not gonna go to a big box store and find this quality or this level of herbicide like you can when you're dealing with a professional grade herbicide. A lot of your Bermuda grass herbicides are very unique, whereas they can take out a grass within the grass, meaning they can remove a cool season turf from the warm season turf. Whereas, you know, with cool season grasses, you know, that's hard to come by, is to be able to take a warm season grass out of a cool season grass. It's just, you're very limited. And then the ones that you do have access to, you know, they work okay. They're just not anywhere near as efficient as an actual Bermuda grass herbicide. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at the prices, because they are high. They are a buy once, cry once herbicide, and for most homeowners and homeowner-sized yards, you know, you buy it one time and you're done. You don't have to buy herbicides for a very, very long time. But the best part about that is you get the results that you and I want, right? As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.